Oh, okay. What? Whoa! Is that... Oh god, I'm gonna die. Hey guys, my name's Lumithos, and I just want to thank you so much for joining me on episode 2 of Moonlighter. Now, last time we left off unlocking the Blacksmith, so I thought we'd take a look at that real quick. See what he has to offer. And... he's... oh. Apparently it undid it? Huh. Okay, let's see what he has. Hey, you must be Will, no? The one who requested my forge. My name is Andre, Forge Master Extraordinaire. If it's weapons or armor you seek, Vulcan's Forge is the place. Okay, looks like it takes specific materials from monsters. Fabric, iron. Okay. Looks like I could... do I upgrade? Is it like an upgrade, or is it like building a new thing? Not really sure. That looks amazing. I do want to give spears a try, so let's try and go for that. So I'll need some more of those gold pieces and some teeth rock or something. Those look pretty cool. Okay. So I say we head to the dungeon. I don't think yep, I dropped everything off. Let's go to the dungeon. Alright. So hopefully we can get some good loot. I'm gonna try to get really far. Oh, there's the teeth rocks I need. Oh, come on, grab it. Oh, yeah. Alright. Okay. Hardened steel. Flying golem egg. Sounds interesting. Huh. Okay. Yeah, we'll grab that. Just keep heading left. Kind of wary of those slime hand things. They kind of messed me up last time. So looks like they charged. Oh god, I suck. Okay, they're not too hard. Ooh, I think that was a crit. Okay, got some fabric. Broken sword. Pretty goody. Healed a little bit. That probably means the boss room's up there. Oh, I forgot to read this. Why? Why do our... oh, it's just the same thing. Left untouched, but rooms and chests holding our most basic tools keep ranging. Okay. Good. Alright. Let's head back, look at some other rooms. Oh! Oh, there's a secret. Thought I screwed up. Oh gosh, let me go. No. No, second one. There's a crap. Oh. I need to get rid of this guy. Okay, I'm screwed. If I get caught by another one, I'm dead for sure. Okay. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Dang it. Man, that sucks. Alright, let's go again. I think we can do better. I think you just gotta play it smart. Maybe I should have used my mop spear. It's definitely not the same layout. Ow. That's terrible. Okay. It's good. Looks interesting. Oh, oh. Okay. Oh. Something's distorting. Can I? Okay, something weird is happening. Okay, that's on the way. I'll use that. Okay, we'll just keep plugging along. Oh. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go downwards. I don't really know. Oh, what? Is there anything? I don't know. Just keep them at a distance like this. Easy peasy. Come on, health potion. Come on. Come on. Is this just gonna be the same thing? Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm guessing the boss room's that way, so I'll come back. Hopefully this time I don't die. Baby room, that's super easy. What do they think they're dealing with? Ah, that's annoying. Where's the thing we got? What is this? I was attacked by a moving rock today. Can you imagine? A rock that moves. It did what any sensible person would do in this situation, and smacked it right back. It shattered upon the ground, leaving behind a stone heart. A core, as we have come to call it. It's one of the many unique treasures that can only be found in this dungeon. Dropped by a guard unique to only this dungeon. I have to say, each of these dungeons have a very particular environment. A culture, all its own. Oh, that was... Okay, let's go fight the boss. Okay, it's not a boss. Oh, I can't pick it up because I'm full. Okay. How do I drop this? Oh, I don't have that thing, man. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay, area attack. I rolled the wrong way. Sword. Sword. Oh god. Oh. Whew. Oh, come on. Oh, I don't have any regular sword spots. And petals. I wish I could drop things. Okay, this is one of the strange devices that creature dropped when he fled. This one's rich, actually. Almost quite literally rich. For every item you place into this device, gold of some perceived value drops out. It's great if you need to use your pendant in a pinch. The device looks like a mirror, so I'm just gonna call it the mirror. Keeping it simple. I do wonder, though, where did the treasures go once inside? Am I getting the best deal here? Oh. Okay. So you can use that to free up some inventory space. Okay, well, I'm gonna call that good. Oh, did it automatically sell something so I could leave? Be wary. Oh, I get pets? Huh. That's cool. Can I go play with them or something? That's pretty cool. Yeah, let's go inside. Alright, yeah, I need some money. Let's just sell like a bunch of you. Is this the best price? Yeah. And yeah, I guess we'll sell that. That's a really good price, actually. $650 gold. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. Got lots of vines. let's try and sell these. I did get one from a boss, so we're gonna start it at 100. Okay. I don't think I'll be able to open my shop. Nope. Alright, let's go to sleep. And then we'll see what we can sell. Let's see what we got. Sell 20 items at the perfect price. Of course I'm the perfect merchant. You look well today, Will. What can I do for you? Okay, we could make an iron helmet. 40 more health. That sounds amazing. Okay, I can't make any of that. Could make that. Oh, man. If we didn't accidentally sell that thing, we could have built that. Dang. Alright, well I say... Let's build this sword. Are you sure you want to craft training big sword? Heck yeah. Okay, we're definitely gonna have to save up for that. That sounds way too good to pass up. Okay, I definitely think we should go with that. Alright, let's put the sword away. And you know what time it is. Alright, we can build the helmet, so what we really need is just a bunch of gold, so... Hopefully later we can expand our backpack space. That would be amazing. Maybe it'll save our floor level, or will we have to go back through? Ah, dungeon 1, okay. Dude, this sword's amazing! Oh, this sword is great. Okay, well let's just take everything for now. We can sell stuff later. Oh no, he got me. Oh, that's so phony. Okay. I love the sword already. Oh, dang it. Okay. Alright. I love the damage. Oh. Oh. Paying attention. This is probably just gonna be the same story. They are like moths to the flame, I tell you. These adventurers, so many attracted to the dungeons, so many to only feel the burn. Luckily, if you pass out in the dungeon from exhaustion or pain, it spits you out, eventually. It's a messy ordeal, no one really knows what happens. But one eventually wakes up outside the dungeon, with only small traces of slime nearby and, well, Any injuries they may have accumulated inside. Yes, some have left the dungeons to never return, but plenty have stuck it out. Many enjoyed the thrill of the fight, many looking for that big payday. There really is so much more to these dungeons, though. Now, let's go up. Alright. Oh. Oh. I just keep finding this by accident. How do I beat these guys? Do I get them to like run into a wall? Ooh, he's... Oh. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay. Let's go again. This time, not be stupid. Okay, this is similar. Okay, that's not the same. Really just want to find one potion, and that would be great. Is that a spear? Yes. Oh ho ho. Alright, we're just gonna take everything. Yeah, boing boing. Yeah, 'cause easy peasy. On to the next one. Okay. Oh, didn't charge up. No! No! Oh, come on. The sword is good. At least we kept the spear. Oh, we found it fast. Oh, perfect. Okay. Alright, now let's not die on the second level. Every freaking time. Oh. Those are the most annoying enemies. Okay. feels as if we are fighting an invisible enemy. Every time a room is left empty of people, it seems to vanish. Replaced by another chamber that has already been ransacked. Today marks my first steps into these mysterious dungeons. They were discovered not far from Renoka, a small and incredibly charming village just north of the crater. And they are quite a unique occurrence. Any number of adventurers may enter a dungeon at once, but no one will venture together. These dungeons seem to build themselves around the one entering. A unique maze for each person. Never the same labyrinth twice. One must ask, though, if no one is currently inside the dungeon, does it even exist? Now these are the questions. Many right now are flooding these dungeons for their treasure, completely disregarding the inherent danger of the hostile creatures inside. Just for some gold, some fame, but not I. No, it's all about the questions for me. Where did these dungeons come from? Why do they constantly shift and change? And why are they filled with unseen treasures? I'm not here for the what, I'm here for the how and why. Man, my voice is just dying. Okay. Ooh, a lot of these shards. They'll probably lose some value from me abusing them. Oh, okay. What? Whoa! Is that... Oh god, I'm gonna die. Okay. I dodged! No! Oh man, so much good loot. Darn. I got cocky. Alright. Well, looks like that's all the time I've got. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below. I'll read all of them. Thank you guys so much again. Bye.